Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Youtuberviji. In this video I am going to show you how to make a vegetable soup for your kids. I make it for my daughter whenever she has some fever or cold or cough. Why? Because at that time they don't eat vegetables properly. So this will be a good supplement. The vegetable soup contains a lot of minerals and vitamins that will help them to get well soon. So I will show you in this video how to make the vegetable soup. Let's get started. I have taken tomatoes, beetroot, carrot, beans and some small onions. If you don't have small onions, you can put one big onion. So here I am chopping the beans. You have to add everything to the cooker and boil it. You have to chop the tomatoes, add it to the cooker. I prefer to grate the beetroot and carrot so that the maximum nutrients will get into the water that we are going to give to our kids. I don't have coriander leaves right now. If you add that also, it will be very flavored. You won't believe it tastes very yummy. My daughter loves it a lot. She asks for one more glass. Whenever she is having fever, cold or cough, I make this and give her. After finishing that glass, she asks for one more glass. You won't believe how happy I feel. So please try it at least once and see the reaction of your kids. They will love the color as well as the taste. To this I am adding water. Here I am adding 3 glasses of water, 100 ml glass. And I am adding jeera and pepper powder. Please remember, don't add salt, otherwise the taste will become bitter. It has a natural taste of the vegetables and tomato and the taste will be very yummy. Yeah, now let it boil. One whistle is enough. You can switch off the flame. See, it's done and now I am filtering it out. So a very healthy drink is ready for our kids. The color is also very beautiful. It will attract your kids. They will surely love to drink it. Please try it once and let me know how was the reaction of your kids. So as you saw, it was a very simple method and it includes a variety of vegetables and it is very good for their health as well. So you should try this vegetable soup whenever your kids are not eating vegetables or if they are having fever or cold or cough. It is a very good healthy supplement. So I hope this video was useful to you. If so, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. I will come up with many more healthy recipes, beauty tips as well as many more interesting videos. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.